Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I'd really appreciate it. Today, I finally have my Ipsy glam bag. Oh, wait. My Boxycharm and Ipsy box. It was a shenanigans getting this. I initially had the icon box on the account that I was keeping, and I discontinued my old Boxycharm account. And then when I canceled the icon box, I thought, oh, I'll just get my Boxycharm. No, because the icon box replaces Boxycharm, so I'm not getting anything. So I had to go to my old Boxycharm account, which is now Ipsy, and order and restart my Boxycharm subscription there. So here we have my Boxycharm subscription. Discover yourself. Piece of paper. Card with nothing, no information on it. The glam bag I had last week at least had the details about the products, and I didn't get to choose anything in this box, so I just got what they sent me, and this is what it looks like. And first from Cab is Cosmetics, a hydrating setting mist. Let's check it out. I just put on a few face and makeup. Oh, it looks nice. How do you make this work? Oh, you have to move this over and down, and then it goes. Oh, that's like a fire hose. That was just like a fire hose on my face. It smells pretty good. It tastes terrible, but it just splashed my face with hydrating setting mist. It's hydrating because it's a freaking fountain spraying on your face. I'm gonna have to pat my face so I don't have any weird spots. That was weird. That was a bad idea. Next up, I have from a pineapple and coconut prep and prime polish primer with horsetail plant extract, and this is from Style Dry. Oh, it's sealed. I'm not going to open this up because I don't need a prep and prime polish primer, because I've got like 3 or 4 primers open right now. So no thank you, not interested. From Persona, we have a super blush. Let's see what color it is. If I can open it. It says in caramel. There we go. Scissors to the rescue. If it's that color, that's pretty. Oh, that's a pretty mauve color. Maybe I'll keep it. It looked good. It's pretty. It was much darker on the screen, because they tell you what's in your box, but I still wasn't excited. Then from LYS, which I believe is a black-owned brand, which is awesome. It is a palette. It's called Love Yourself. How the hell do you open this palette? I'm not excited about this because this color story on the side is not beautiful. I like that it's an interesting shape. LYS loves triangles. And this will show every fingerprint. Ooh, I'm signaling to a plane that I'm stranded on a desert island. And that's okay, but it's not a color story that I would use. It's not pretty. I don't like it. So that will go probably in a giveaway. I do have a giveaway coming up. Once I reach 1,800 subscribers, we will have a giveaway. And last but not least, the best thing in the box is the Plum Plump Hyaluronic Cream from Glow Recipe. And I love Glow Recipe. A little tough to open. That's all right. Beautiful package. Beautiful product. But if you can see, there's like a little well in there. So you don't get that much product. It's that much plastic and just a little bit of product. But I'm sure it's very nice. I'm not going to get into it. It's going to go on my Mercari. So I will put my Mercari link down below. But for $29, I got this. This makes the box right there. The Plum Plump, the Weird Palette, the Pretty Blush, the Fire Hose of a setting spray, and a primer. So that's not too bad overall. But the best thing out of the whole box is this Plum Plump. So I'm not loving this month's box. I hope my next month's box will be better because I'll be able to choose things. And I hope that you have a great day or day of choice, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.